My kitchen is part of my living room. It's all one open space, which most days I love, but sometimes it can get really messy and there's no doors to close it and leave it there. I'm pretty consistent most of the time. Whenever I'm cooking, I clean up after me, but sometimes it can get messy with a coffee mug, some mailings, charge our phones, and the baby camera. I thought, why not give it some peps, some new look. This is not a decluttering cupboard kitchen video. I just want to declutter my countertop and make it look good and aesthetic and, most important, functional. I've got some stuff from IKEA and some stuff from other shops like Action. I wanted to share my thoughts on how I feel about it because I need to feel good and maybe you need to feel good as well. If you have any recommendations and you think I can do better, please leave your comments on the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it because I spend most of the time looking for stuff that will be functional but still look cute and good. I love neutrals on my kitchen and my decoration most of the time. I like functional stuff, easy to maintain, to clean. I love when a delivery shows up because it looks like you have gifted yourself something. Anyway, I will start with this. This is not for the top, actually. I like to order from IKEA. This is not sponsored, by the way. I actually love the fact that whenever you don't like something or you don't like the quality, you get to just take it back to them and they will solve the problem or they will give you back your money. No questions asked. I appreciate because you want it to go fast. We don't have time once again. So this is for scooping your vegetables. I really appreciate it because I hate when you have to take it hand by hand. It gets really messy really fast, so I really like this. This is for the coffee. I didn't find it at the shop. I had to order it from the website. All this packaging I had to order from their website because there is the cutting board that I didn't find on their shop. Since the quality of this one was really nice, it looked really nice, the reviews were really nice, so I got it even if I didn't find it at the shop, and then I was like, let me get everything with them. So yeah, I like to think before I'm buying if I really need it, if it's functional, if it will add value to my life. I don't like just to accumulate clutter. I don't feel well at home, and since now we have a baby, I really like to feel that everything has its place. I will show you an idea I had. I did it with ChatGPT just to have a visual of what I wanted approximately, and he gave me the idea I wanted because I told him what I wanted on my kitchen countertop and he helped me with that. I love the fact that they have really cute stuff. I will be showing you briefly on the images later on, and I will be putting everything, the name on the website so you can find it easily. The salt. So this is for salt. This is for olive oil. This is a candle that it will always be on, so I will put it right there. Then I got a fake plant like this because I don't want to kill any plant. I don't take care of them. I don't have time. And this little basket, I find it so cute, and it will be a little bit of life since all my kitchen is, as you can see, white and black. This is my old kitchen cabinet. We are renting this apartment as well, so we will not be spending all our money on something is not ours because you have just one cupboard here, this area right here. This is what they give you when you enter the apartment, so we will not be keeping that, so we will spend less amount of money if we can, but we want it to look good and aesthetic and functional. I found it on the website. I liked it to close your coffee and stuff like that. I think it's nice and it goes well on the fridge and everything. We always need one of these tray for the decoration. We can put in something. Styling is one of those things that take a lot of time. This is a nail brush for washing. I really like this. This is from Bamboo. You have a little metal thing that you can have on top of it, or you can buy something on Amazon. I like it like this because I like to feel my dishes. Sometimes you will not see that something is not really clean, but you can feel it with your hands, so that's why I will use my hands. I will show you the before and after anyway. I have bought at least, I don't know, 3 or 4 cutting boards, and then at the end I went back to my old one, which is dying actually because it's the only one that is not leaking on my counter. I don't know why. Most of them were leaking even if I oiled them. I think the quality was not nice. My counter is white. It takes a lot of cleaning all the time, and if on top of that my cutting board is leaking, it doesn't help. and I wanted something that would look well when you just leave it there. I love the quality. What I liked as well is that on the website they wrote that it's already ready to use. So there you go. I really like it. Okay, we just finished with everything. The table as well, I will be removing everything. I will leave just the table. It's a white table. I will not leave clothes here on top of the table. I don't like it. And I will just assume whatever it happens, because I like when my furniture looks clean, and white it will not look clean at some point with a baby, but it doesn't matter. I will just assume that, whatever. So let's get into styling. Try this and rolling up. I love about styling, it takes longer than you think. You have to find the good quality and the good things that will match. But once you find them, it feels so good. So the point is, this is for the oil, keep it, I'm not very sure. This will be for the cooking oil, this will be for the salt. I don't know if I will take cooking oil. And maybe I will take this one. I know it's not good for your hair, but still, we will see. Anyway, this is how it will look. I think it looks good. I need to get some sponge on brown, this kind of wood, but yeah, this is how it will look actually. I think it looks good. This will remove, we don't like it. So this is the first step. I go into here. This is my spices cabinet. Sorry, this is how it looks. I think we need to remove whatever it's not supposed to be here. That's why I told you this may be in two parts, because styling, as I told you, it takes time. You have to see if it really goes with your lifestyle and everything you do daily. I'm thinking to take a basket or something and put it here, so I can have stuff like this, because it's really annoying to have it right here. I would like to keep it as simple as possible so it looks good. I may put some art or something here, I'm not really sure, or just keep this little plant. I don't know, I'm still thinking. Give me any advice you may have for the appliances, because this is what I use on every single day, and I feel like it's cluttered here and it doesn't look that nice. Let me know if it's the same for you. This I use it every morning. My toaster I use it morning and afternoon. The water I use it whenever I cook, and my coffee machine that right now I need most of the time. So I'm taking you here. Let's keep in mind that I once again need it to be functional. So I have kept here my dishes that I use most of the time, and the last shelf, as you can see, it's really hard for me to, I struggle to go there. So with the small basket right here, I think it's very cute. It will give a little bit of life to my kitchen. What do we think? I think it looks cute. I need that touch of plants. And then I'm adding the fake candle with this little glass right here, and whenever I want some cozy vibes, I just switch it on and it looks nice. I will show you the kitchen after that gave me ChatGPT. I'm supposed to have some art here. I don't know if I will put something here because I need to be functional. Maybe I will put it here, maybe I'll put something there. I'm not pretty sure. On this shelf I keep stuff that I really use daily, or my husband will use, like this Ninja for this, or the protein shakes, the coffee and everything. I still look for how I will organize this stuff right here. And the last is the basket that I was telling you. I don't know what I would put it for. The small stuff, maybe I'll put it here, maybe something small here. I'm not pretty sure yet. What else I got from IKEA? I got this one for the milk. Once again, I don't know if I will keep it here. Maybe I will do, for the milk, I will do a small coffee station for the, sorry about the phone. It will depend on how I declutter here. If you have any recommendations for the appliances right here, I will be happy to take it because it's annoying. I have all the cables and everything and I don't like that. If you have any recommendations or any links, I would be more than happy to get it. And now let's move to the sink. I have a love and hate relationship with sink. I think it looks very good, but I know it's really hard to keep clean and looking good. We spend most of the time trying to make sure that it's clean. This is the cutie stuff. There's a part here missing, so I will go to IKEA and take it. The good thing about it is that whenever you go and tell them, yeah, this is missing, they don't question you. They will just give you a solution. I really appreciate that with IKEA. And I wanted it to be like this. We will remove all the other stuff. This is way better. It already looks so good. For this one, I will not remove this so I can take it back to them. The cutting board that I think looks very nice. Maybe I will be adding something here or maybe not. It depends on how it will look overall. But I think it already looks very nice. It's minimalistic, simple, easy, very realistic. And the good thing is that we made this cupboard right here for everything. Whenever I wash the dishes, I just put it here. It removes all the clutter on top of the sink, which I really appreciate. My husband, it took him a lot of time and energy, but I really appreciate it. I think for here we are done. Let's get an before and after on how it looks. This is the final result. I hope you like this video. I try to motivate you if you're thinking about starting to declutter, starting to feel good again, and if you have the same kind of kitchen, I just wanted to inspire you so you find the motivation to do it. Keep in mind, this is what works for me and my family and what is functional for me. If I was honest with you guys, I would prefer better stuff, but I know it will not be functional, at least for this period of my life. I'm keeping it realistic, and most important, I'm keeping it in a way that it makes me feel good. That is the most important thing for me right now. The last thing you have to keep in mind as well, that this is not my apartment, we don't own it, so this is a rent-friendly kitchen refresh. I just wanted to spend an afternoon together and motivate each other. If you have any recommendations, I will be more than happy to get them. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'm linking everything on the description section down below. I hope to see you in my next video. Please take care. Bye!